Hey friends, hope you're doing well. Super excited today. I got this big box. From Bike and Biker. I ordered accessories for my Versys 650. And apart from this, what came today, I have existing accessories, which is the RAM mount yet to be fixed, the USB charger, the front fork protectors from SW Motec, and the GPS mount from Zana. So these are yet to be installed. This is something which is there, and today we are going to do an unboxing of the accessories what came this evening. So there is an invoice on this, and it's got a list of things, right? But however, I'm going to straight away get into it and open the box and take a look at it, what's in there. So super excited. I feel like a small kid who's got some lots of toys today. So that's exactly the feeling, and I'm sure you all can relate to it really well. All right. Wow, this is lot of stuff, guys. Okay, what's this? This is the GV M7 plate for mono key version of the box. Okay, box in the sense the top box what I'm going to buy is going to be a mono key version, and this is going to be the plate for that, right? Let's take a look at it and see how it looks, because this was looking really amazing and I couldn't go with anything else but for this. So let me show you guys. Isn't it amazing, guys? This is going to be the rack what's going to be sitting on the bike, and it's come with its own hardware where I'm going to later on do an install of all of these stuff and show you guys. So right now it's just an unboxing. So it's got all the list and all that of the parts what are in the box. So let's keep this aside and move on to the next one. All right, next one. Okay, what's this? Okay, this is the metal fixtures what will go along with the M7 GV rack. So this goes along with that particular product. So this GV I really liked it because of the quality and especially the M7, the way it looks. So yeah, really excited. Okay, next let's go to yeah, let's see what is this. All right, so this is my saddle stays for the Versys 650 from Zana. So it's got its own, I think it's got the hardware kit here and the saddle stays for both the side, and I think some Loctite to fasten the screws. Looks amazing. Yeah. So I'm going to do a DIY install of all these products one by one and post the video soon. But I think this came quite well packed with all this bubble wrap and all that. So okay, so now I ordered this Putoline chain tech. This is the chain wax for my bike. So supposed to be really the best what you can get as per my understanding, right? So this is, I think, not sure where it's made, but it's a product from Netherlands, Putoline. So this is really amazing. So I got two of those, and then coming to the next surprise is this Mad Dog Alpha. So the Alpha series is supposed to be 40 plus 40 watt aux lights from Mad Dog, and top of the line product. So this is something what I would be installing on my Versys. So along with this, uh, let's do a quick unboxing and see what's in the box. All right. Super premium product, right? It looks really premium and very well packaged. And yeah, I think there's some stickers here. I think this is probably keychain, yeah. And these are the real stuff, what you see inside this. Okay, there it goes. So this is alpha, my friends. This is alpha for you. And this is a 40 watt light, and I'm going to fix two lights on the engine card what's on the bike already. So this is going to give an amazing brightness and throw. So it is you might have seen some reviews about this, and it's comparable to Baha Squadron Pro lights, somewhere comparable, but yes, at a very different price point. So let's move to the next one. I hope I can keep it the same way. There are these clamps which are really sturdy and looks very well built, and some connectors and the second pair of light. So that is it inside the box. So let me go ahead and place it back, and then let's get to the other products, right? I think I'll leave those clamps just outside at this point in time, and probably figure it out later. So this is some stickers, this is the clamp. Alright, let's see what next. Alright, I got these aux filters from Mad Dog itself. These generally come with there are totally four rubbers, right? Four rubber covers, and I think two are having the yellow ones at this point in time, yellow filters, and in the box you get a complete black and transparent one also. So that's really cool and amazing. And what's this? Let's finish the Mad Dog and then get ahead. So this is the performance switch from Mad Dog, right? Let's take a look at it real quick. Wow, looks really amazing and very well made, totally metal made. So yeah, the switch is done, the filters are done, and the wiring harness pro, right? This is the harness what I'm going to use. This is totally going to be waterproof, and the high capacity one, which is recommended for higher wattage lights. So this is something. And yes, I'm going to do a DIY of all this stuff one by one, and yes, of course, I'll be sharing the videos with you all when I do that. What next? Okay, so this is a very interesting product. This is called Senseri. This is a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. So there are two sensors in this box, and yes, again I'm going to do an install of this, and then you need to download an app on the mobile, connect it via Bluetooth, and then you are able to monitor the tire pressure of your tires real time. So this is something very interesting. All right, so So yes guys, so that's something what I have at this point in time. And hey, thanks for watching this video, and I'm going to do a video of each one of them, and stay tuned and to let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Always happy to interact and discuss. Hey, thank you all and have a wonderful day ahead.